In the rapidly evolving world of consumer drones, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo has emerged as a standout choice for both aspiring pilots and seasoned aerial photographers. Weighing in at just 249 grams, this compact powerhouse delivers a blend of portability, advanced features, and user-friendly design that has caught the attention of tech enthusiasts and gadget reviewers alike. At the heart of the DJI Mini 3 is its impressive 4K camera, which captures crisp, high-resolution video at 30 frames per second. Whether you're filming sweeping landscapes or vibrant cityscapes, the camera's clarity and color accuracy ensure your footage stands out. One of the Mini 3's signature features is true vertical shooting, enabling users to effortlessly create portrait-oriented shots, perfect for social media content and creative storytelling. The Fly More combo package offers exceptional value, especially highlighted during recent promotional events such as Amazon Prime Day. This bundle doesn't just include the drone itself. It comes packed with the DJI RC remote controller, which boasts a built-in screen for clear, real-time viewing, 2 extra intelligent flight batteries, a charging cradle, and a convenient carrying case. These additions extend your flight time and make it easier to capture those perfect moments on the go. With the standard intelligent flight battery, users enjoy up to 38 minutes of flight time, while the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus pushes the limit to an impressive 51 minutes. This extended battery life means you can explore further and shoot longer without constantly returning for a recharge. Range is another area where the Mini 3 excels. With a maximum transmission distance of up to 10 kilometers, this drone opens up a vast area for exploration and creative aerial photography. It's an ideal choice for adventurers who want to capture remote locations or sweeping aerial vistas, all while maintaining a reliable connection with the controller. Ease of use has been a major focus for DJI, and the Mini 3 Fly More combo reflects that commitment. Its intuitive controls and streamlined setup process make it accessible to beginners, yet it still offers enough advanced functionality to satisfy experienced drone pilots. The compact, foldable design means it's easy to pack and transport, whether you're heading out for a weekend hike or a cross-country road trip. Customers have responded overwhelmingly positively to the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo. Across hundreds of reviews, it maintains a high rating, 4.7 out of 5 stars, based on nearly 700 reviews, underscoring its popularity. Users frequently praise the drone's camera quality, straightforward controls, and reliable battery life. The built-in screen on the DJI RC remote controller is a particular hit, eliminating the need to pair a smartphone and streamlining the flying experience. However, it's important to note that the Mini 3 lacks obstacle avoidance sensors, a feature found in the higher-end Mini 3 Pro model. While this means users need to exercise a bit more caution when flying in complex environments, the trade-off comes in the form of a lighter, more affordable drone that still delivers excellent performance and image quality. For most users, the combination of price, portability, and performance makes the Mini 3 Fly More combo an attractive option. With a recent Prime Day price drop, the value proposition has become even stronger. The Fly More combo was spotted at $759, down from the original $979, representing a substantial 22% discount. For anyone considering an entry into aerial photography or looking to upgrade from an older model, this represents one of the best deals available in the current drone market. In summary, the DJI Mini 3 Fly More combo stands out as one of the best high-tech gadgets for adults in 2025. Its blend of lightweight design, impressive camera capabilities, extended battery life, and user-friendly features make it a versatile tool for creators on the move. Whether you're a hobbyist capturing memories or an enthusiast pushing the limits of aerial videography, the Mini 3 Fly More combo delivers outstanding value and performance in a compact package. Keep an eye on High-Tech Gadgets News for more updates and in-depth reviews on the latest innovations in consumer technology. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. For more product specifications and pricing, click on the link below this video to shop on Amazon now, and you will be taken right to the product page. More breaking high-tech news is available on our blog at besthightechgadgetsforadults.com. Don't forget to subscribe now to our YouTube channel, Best High-Tech Gadgets for Adults. Stay tuned to High-Tech Gadgets News for more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest high-tech releases.